Do you want to integrate data from multiple datasets? Are you not able to gain insight from your data? Are you having issues with Power BI implementation? Are you running a business and facing problems to report the data? This might result in unable to make informed decisions, data governance and data security issues, no centralized data model, presenting and sharing of data is tedious and inefficient. All this slowing down process is affecting your business negatively? Well, our Power BI certified specialists can help analyze data, create visual, stunning and accurate representation of your data so you can focus on more productive business outcomes. Technology Q is here to provide you the best Power BI services. We have certified and experienced Power BI professionals, affordable and 20+ years experience in enterprise reporting and data analytics. Give us a call for a jump start and take your business towards the peak of success.